A total of 5 models of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB were launched in the price range of 311,900 to 367,900 yuan. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB mainly adjusts the appearance details, among which the front fascia is replaced by a new forearm-style front air grille. Chrome or black decorative strips are offered according to different versions. The structure of the new car is recognizable, its rating is higher. The biggest change at the rear is the adoption of a new taillight shape, and the internal dot matrix light source has a certain degree of recognition. In addition, depending on the version, the side skirts, window lines and front/rear surrounds of the new car are also darkened, providing a very sporty visual effect. In terms of wheels, the new car offers 18-inch double 5-spoke light alloy wheels, 18-inch double 5-spoke light alloy wheels, 19-inch 10-spoke light alloy wheels and 19-inch 5-spoke light alloy wheels, 01R. Dimensionally, the upper and lower models are equipped with two 35/50R19 tires, while the other models are equipped with two 35/55R18 tires. In terms of body color, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB offers 7 body colors for consumers to choose from. Among these, mountain gray, matte mountain gray and cosmic black are more suitable for male consumers, while lava red is undoubtedly a more preferred color for female consumers. In terms of interior, the new car's biggest change is the replacement of the family's highly recognizable 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. At the same time, the 10.25-inch dual integrated screen effectively contributes to the perception of technology in the vehicle, and the vehicle is equipped with the latest generation MBUX vehicle system with functions such as smart voice assistant and wireless CarPlay. In terms of power, the new car offers a 1.3T turbocharged engine and a 2.0T plus 48V mild hybrid system. The maximum power is 120 kilowatts and 140 kilowatts, respectively, and the maximum torque is 270 Nm and 300 Nm, respectively. In terms of transmission, the 1.3T engine model is paired with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, the 2.0T engine model is paired with an 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, and the top model will also be equipped with an all-wheel drive system.